Good morning. This is the last video that I'm gonna show about this 2001 Nissan Frontier that I have for a while now. I'm about to sell it. It's been a really reliable truck, but I upgrade to a F-150 because I need more space for my kids on the back. I did a couple repairs on it, but besides that, nothing major. And for the mileage it have on it, I should be doing more works on it, but it's a pretty reliable truck and I really enjoyed the time that I spent with it. It got about 168,000 miles on it, which is not a lot for those type of truck. Again, it's a 2001 Nissan Frontier. I upgrade the head unit. It's not that good. I wish I never upgraded to that cheap head unit because this sound is not that good compared to the old one. That's my only regret. The inside of it is in fairly good shape, but the awesome dirty spot. This is why I upgrade to the F-150 because whenever I fit a baby seat back here, there are very little room for my kids to fit in here. I have two kids, a 1-year-old and a 2-year-old. This is the back of it. The back cab is not that big, but whenever I have something that's extra long, I just throw it on top. Since the roof have the rack on the front, and I'm able to sit everything that's extra long flat on top of it. And this is the back bed. Both of the cable broke over the year. They got worn over time and they just snap. And I think one day somebody tried to break into the back cab. I'm not sure why. I think I had a tire in the back and I think they successfully break this part, but I guess somebody saw them and they weren't able to break into this part on time. I think that's why they didn't steal the tire in the back. I have a couple video about this 2001 Nissan Frontier doing some repair and some minor stuff with it. If you're interested in seeing those videos, you can go on my YouTube channel and check it out. And as you can see, this back seat probably gonna need to be cleaned, or if the person doesn't care, they can leave it just like that. And this is what I did over here because one day the strap to fold the seat down snapped and I had to cut into this enable in order to get access to the back and open it again. So I just strapped this piece of wire into it. It got some minus rust at the bottom, but nothing major. And the frame only have like superficial rust on it, nothing serious. Glove box, kind of small. So this is all for today. This will be my last video about this 2001 Nissan Frontier that I own now for a while. I'm going to miss it. I have some really good experience in it. Thank you very much. Have a good one.